This is Module 4, Part 2, and I'm starting on page 4-8, which is dealing with changing the chart design. So with my chart still here on the US area, I'm going up here in the chart design and chart type. And so we can choose the column chart. We could have had it stacked, um, 3D, different types, but we're going to go to like a bar chart or a line chart just to see different ones that you can do. So we'll just go with a line chart and I'll choose OK just to show you the differences there. I'm going to do an undo to go back for that. On the next page, the chart elements. If I look here, there is a plus sign, a brush, and a funnel. I'm going to go ahead and on the plus sign, I can turn on if I want the axis titles, the chart title, which we've already talked about, data labels, that really clutters things up. The data table at the bottom, do I want grid lines or trend lines, which is later in the chapter, but a trend line shows how things are going. If I do a trend line for forecasting, which way it's going to go, which anyway, I'm going to go ahead and turn those back off for right now. But I could do all my different titles and things like that. Here, I can change my styles. I'm just going to tell you to go through them to see it, and then also the colors of the bars if you have, a certain color theme that you want to follow. And so that kind of covers 410. On 412, they talk about formatting a chart. And the chart tools format tab up here, if I choose that, I can, there's a shape fill button, and I can choose all the different, for every area, and also the backgrounds and things like that. There's a more items down here that I can fills and borders, and so I encourage you to play around with that to get the desired look that you would like for this. The next thing is a pie chart, and I'm going to go ahead and get out of this, and I'm going to delete the chart we currently have. For a pie chart, they want us to do F5 through F12 and A5 through A12. So I'm going to watch how I do this. I'm going to select A5 through A12 and come over and do Control F5 through F12. I don't want everything in between. I just want those two columns only. And now I'm going to go to the Insert Pie Chart. So I'm going to go to Insert, and there is a pie chart right here. I'm going to choose that. And you notice there's all different types, 2D, 3D, donut. I'm just going to choose the regular 2D chart, and it shows me each color and the amount of the pie. We can also change the colors of that. We can data labels, which will put the amount in there for each one of them. And this page 414 talks about how you can change and do data callouts to make it stick out. One of those pieces stick out and so forth. I'm going to stop now.